And just like that, the trailer is in the garage. What's up, guys? I'm Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video, and we're building the trailer again. We gotta put a new deck on it, check all the lights, make sure she's in tip-top shape. It's getting late and I have to film up close because I've cracked my other camera. It's fantastic, but working on the trailer. I'm redoing the deck. Gotta replace the deck. It's on its last limbs when I got it, and I used it for a year, and yeah, it's done me well. It's done me good. So let's get into it. Let's fix this sucker. And just like that, the deck's been removed. There's 4 boards right there. 2 of them are obviously shorter that are standing up, and then those are those 2 full-length ones. Full-length ones at the back. And there's not very much structure to this trailer. But I mean, I was trying to, at the time of getting this, I was trying to keep it as light as possible for a Toyota Tacoma to tow. So I did accomplish that, and it worked for a year. All right, back to another update. I have 2 spare tires for this trailer, so I need to do some mounts. So I got 4 bolts, and this is a regular lug nut because it's tapered. If the focus, there it goes, see? It's tapered. And then these are the regular nuts. If the camera will, yeah, so regular nuts. I'm just gonna use regular nuts for now. And we're gonna get them mounted, and we're gonna mount them under the trailer in between the frame rail and the edge. And I'm just gonna weld them onto this cross member. Then they're underneath, because I don't want to put them on the front, because this tongue's not very long to be able to turn and jackknife and not hit this on your truck. So I don't want to put them on the front. I don't really want to put them in the middle, because that's too hard to get to. So right here, and the spare tire, here's one of them, does fit width-wise and won't stick past this metal frame right here. So I think it's going to work beautifully. We just got to grab the welder out, buzz a couple mounts together, and just like that, we got the 2 bolts welded onto the bottom tab. There's your spare tire mount. So I guess I will bolt it up and show you what it looks like. And then we got to do that side somehow. I don't know how I'm going to get the welder over there. And then I don't know how the frick I'm going to... Yeah, it's going to be interesting. These tires are so tiny. They're so easy to lift up and just put it under there. So yeah, just lift up, throw it under, put 2 nuts on it. And I actually did the same size bolt, well, the same bolt and thread as on the axle nuts, so then you could actually in theory have extra lug nuts. All right, just like that, that side's done. I was able to get a thick extension cord to run the welder over there, and then I could put the spare tire up, tack it on, take the spare tire down, weld it up, and she's good to go. Lots of work, but we're getting her done. Next step we got to do is take that back down and then prep this for paint and clean up all the welding supplies. Clean up one project at a time and then move on to the next step. All right, update. Trailer is outside the garage. I did a little light sanding, and then obviously have the 2 spare tire mounts. See them in one shot now. Going to spray it down, clean it all off super good, and then it'll come back into the garage just to get painted, get a new deck on it, and go from there. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Keep going. And just like that, trailer's back in the garage. Just gotta wipe it down, it dry, and then we'll paint it real quick. Should go good, smooth. So we lucked out. It's good enough weather outside. I don't need to run the heater and heat this place up to paint everything. So we're gonna go ahead and paint this and make it look nice. And like 10, 12 hours later, she's painted. It's freaking nice. Looks good. Now we just need to go to the store again around 10, but I'm gonna let this dry and fully cure before I go to the store and get some wood for the deck. I'm gonna get 4 sheets, stain it, we'll cut it, stain it, bolt it down, and then she'll be done. All right, Tacoma came out. Go get the wood for the deck of the trailer. Shout out to Spanish Fork Builder Supply. Pretty local company. Pretty short drive to be able to go pick up some wood. So we got wood for the trailer. So let's go. Check them out if you need any building supplies for buildings just in general. They have a ton in there. It would blow your mind. And just like that, we are home with our 3, I guess 4, because there's one up there, right there, now you can see it. With our 4 boards to be able to build the trailer. They're spread out so we can stain it. I need to spread out some tarps and crap and prep for painting and staining, whatever you want to call it. And then we can stain them and get them ready to get inside the trailer. Well, I totally forgot to mention, I cut both these boards down. They need to get down to 6 feet because that board's 8 feet and that board's 6 feet. That board's 6 feet and that other one's 6 feet. And this is an 8x14 deck, so the 2 6-foot ones go up there, the 2 8-foot ones go back here. Now I gotta stain this, and I'm staining it. Sadly, I gotta do 3 more. This one's only like halfway done. And then we gotta flip them both and do the other side too. All right, 2 stains so far. 1 more right there. And I had upgraded my staining thing so I can rotate it easier and I don't even have to rotate it. I could just walk around all 4 sides on this. Those I just dealt with the back of the trailer because the trailer is all crooked. But I'm being smarter. We're getting her done. All right, trailer is done. I unfortunately did not finish filming all the process of doing it. So wood all got cut down, stained on the one side. And then I threw all the wood on the deck so it was not stained on the one side. Put it on, screwed it down with, as you could see, a ton of screws. They're like the special deck screws, so they're self-tappers, but they have like those little wings that clear out the wood, and they break off once they go through the metal. So they're like designed for this. Screwed them down. I almost went through 300 screws in this 8x14 deck, but it looks fantastic. Stained it right after I screwed everything down, cleaned it up super good, threw the gate on, and boom, she's done. So I think she looks incredible, very budget friendly to fix it. Thanks for that Spanish Fork Builder Supply. They were super great to get some wood from to make this trailer look brand new. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But the biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.